just riding round, checking out the rest of the island. No plans. So just join us as we travel around and check out what's on this island. Look at that, Samal Shores. Nice. Oh, there's Discovery. Got another resort. Come to the waterfalls now. Let's go and check them out. Jump right in. It's very hot today. It's humid. Give me the tickets. I don't think we need them now. Right, let's go check this place out.
Excuse me, son.
So welcome back. We are now at the waterfalls. Popular attraction. Just walking down. Lots of steps to get down here. See you back at the bottom.
Once I showed you guys around, I will be doing a little swimming in the little shallow bit because it's 9 feet here, down there 8 feet on this little bridge, waterfall over there, and to deep here. All the water goes down there. We'll go to this side. Go down these steps. As you can see, it goes all the way down there. And then ends up down there. As you can kind of see, it's shallow here. Deep here, like 9 feet here, gets shallower and shallower all on the way, but on this side it's like a bit shallow, on that side it's a bit deep, so it's really cool. It's fresh water as well. and it's going like, it's really cool because it goes all the way down. Going the wrong way. Getting lost here. Go down these steps. Then, if you go down these steps, you will find the 8 feet one is over there, 8 feet there. I think it's like 4 foot there, 8 feet there. And I'm gonna go over here, pass the camera back onto my dad, but I think I might be doing some swimming with the camera, so you guys can see what I'm doing in the water, like, because I can do really good tricks and it's really cool. Going in the water and going to bring you guys in the water with me, and my dad and Peter is gonna come with as well.
Welcome to the waterfalls.
Hi, Ro.
Hi.
Hello. Go on to that bit there. Oh, that bit there, you alright?
It's so slippery.
Careful.
We're in the water and I'm gonna swim. 3, 2,
1.
1, go.
Them waterfalls were nice, didn't they? Screen's locked, but it's still recording. You keep shaking it around. What do you think of this place, St. Thomas? Nice,
Good.
isn't it? Like it?
Yeah.
I bet you wish you brought a hairbrush. Go on then, go for a swim. Be careful because there's rocks under there. Nice and crystal clear water. Refreshing.
Yeah.
You're drowning me, Thomas.
Am I?
But it's busy because it's the weekend and lots of Filipinos are here enjoying the weekend. So I'll tell you the name of the place in a little while, because I've actually forgot where we were coming in. It was hectic, so I had to keep an eye on Thomas, but absolute lovely little place to come and visit. It wouldn't be complete without the old red horse. Peter, cheers.
Cheers.
Wish you was here, as they would say.
Gonna take you guys in with me. So here we go. We are gonna go in. So I'm gonna show you more of it because I barely showed any with me in there. So here we go. Apologise if it's gonna if you can't hear me once I put you guys in the water. This is water. It's just when you put the thing in the water, camera in the water, the microphone goes all like funny. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Don't know if the camera saw me there, but yeah, really stony in here, so I've had to wear my Crocs. It isn't mine, it's my dad's. David Kane, K-A-N-E, Kane. Yeah. Search it up on YouTube, it will come up. His face, I don't know his Facebook. Spare goggles? Spare. Like, do you have any spare ones?
No.
No? Okay. Can I buy some up there? Am I able to buy some up there? Yeah? Salamat. We are up here now, so we are going to jump down in a second. Let me just show you the view.
So just to tell you, we was at Casa Tarana in Hagimit. This is what you see right now. It was a complete accident. I was supposed to come to the Hagimit Falls, but I just followed the track. And this is where we ended up. Basically spent the day here. It's been lovely. So if you're looking for a day out with the kids, perfect destination. Now we're going. So
Vlog. Hey guys. Hey, welcome to your vlog. What is the name?
David Kane Travels.
David Kane Travel.
David Kane Travel. Hello. Welcome to Hagimit Falls.
Hagimit Falls.
It's very nice here.
Yes.
Good day.
Hagimit Falls.
He's had a very good day.
Yes.
Yeah.
Tomix.
Thomas.
Tomix. This is Tomix, my friend Tomix.
Salamat.
Thank you, sir.
See you soon, yeah?
Yes,
Next time, sir.
Bye-bye. As you can see, everyone's friendly. That's what the Philippines is like. It's been absolutely busy here today. Very, very good. Thoroughly enjoyed it. And this was just a day that wasn't planned. If you want food, you can buy food in this little hut here. Get life jackets for the younger ones that can't swim. You can book all the tables. There's plenty to do here. So now we'll take the big steps all the way up. Thomas, say mabuhay. Mabuhay. All the way back up to the bikes. You join us again. Certainly keep your fitness up going up these steps. But it was a nice encounter to come here in the middle of nowhere. Absolutely had a fantastic day. Time to go. If you're very unfit like me, these are a killer, these steps. Good bit of exercise, eh? So this is actually the resort in the sunshine. Whew. Still out of breath from those steps. But what a glorious day it is here in the Philippines. What a lovely place to stumble on. I'm sure other people have been here, but we made some fantastic memories. Let's go back to the bike. So just ditch the motorbikes. We're going to get the local transport. I'm going to try and find a restaurant that does tuna because it's popular and I really fancy some. So I had a quick change of the shorts. Now walk into the main road so we can get ourselves a little taxi all the way down.
I don't know if he's the right man. He's got a chainsaw as well.
Yeah, probably lives there. Okay, Koya. It's our little ride.
But we have to wait because this is one way.
One way, yeah, no problem. This Bebek port?
Yeah,
Oh.
Babak Dabsam we call it.
Oh, okay.
And Lansa, you know, little barge.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Only the passenger.
Oh, there's more of them. I might not see it.
Yeah.
Do you want to see it?
It's okay.
There.
I
That
record.
one.
Quite nice.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah.
Peaceful.
That one is for people.
Oh, okay.
That we call it lancha.
Passenger ferry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That is the one we
And what
carry
what
for-
wharf does that take you to in Davao?
Palakan, Davao.
Oh, okay. Let's go to your recommendation.
Thank you.
How much is it?
Don't know yet. Makano, Koya?
Here.
Ah. Makano?
Yeah. Kano?
Yeah.
Only 100? Oh, it's okay.
100's okay, yes.
You don't want to look first or?
No, let's try your recommendation.
Okay.
We can try a different one tomorrow.
Okay.
You got it?
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Salamat.
Salamat.
Right, we've been dropped off. Now we're going to try this on a recommendation. This one?
Yeah.
Okay. Hello. Let's go. Oh, it looks nice. Thank you. He recommended to us to come here. Nice. Fresh. Just three of us sit. Salamat. Nice to try the local recommendation. Right, we're going to sit down, choose our food, and we'll come back to you. So we got some tuna, two sausages for Thomas James, some squid, some rice. We're going to watch him cook it all up there. Sorry. They're just preparing it now for us. We are near Babek. Nice bustling area. Samal right next to the port. This is why we got a taxi down here, so it's nice. Oh. What's this one?
Oil and mix.
Oh,
Oil and mix.
fish sauce.
Ingredients. Sauce of.
Oh, okay. Nice. First up, we've been given some free fish soup. Thomas's one. How is it, Thomas?
Good.
Really good.
Spicy.
Lovely. Salamat. Thomas got some sausages, some octopus, squid, sorry, not octopus. And we've got Moose with his tuna. That's nice. Let's give this a try.
Must be a favourite.
Let's try some of this tuna by itself. Let's try just the tuna on its own. Super nice. Definitely worth the wait. Come and check this place out. I'll give you the name once we leave. We'll share the location. So we're all done apart from this little young man still eating another sausage. Hey? We ate pretty much everything. Very good. It come to 800. So we're just shy of 17 quid. I'll put the conversion rates in the screen, and you can't even get a bit of tuna back at home for that. And we had 2 of them, so I'll show you the place on our way out. We're all done now. Tremendous food. Thank you. Come to see Chelsea, Liam. Bye. Oh, fantastic food there with the locals. So we're just going to go and find somewhere to hang out. So like and subscribe to the video, and I'll see you in the next video.